I'm asking you, what's that mean?
Tirahin mo ako! Sinasabi ko na nga. Ba't hindi mo maintindihan? Ang hirap mong kausap.
Am I allowed to talk to you?
English yun. English.
I'm asking you,
English
what
na
does
yung
that
Tagalog sa akin.
mean?
Tirahin mo ako!
So, I know you say tirahin mo ko. I don't know what does that mean. I'm asking you, what does that mean?
Tirahin mo nga ako. Yun nga ibig sabihin nun.
Ra.
Hin.
In.
Tirahin mo ako.
Tirahin mo ko. Yo, I know what is
Sige.
tirahin mo ko, but I don't know what is that
Oh, you
mean.
ask me. You ask me
Tirahin
that.
mo ko.
Yes, I will.
Sige. Sige. Upal ka talaga.
Tanungin mo ako, dali sabihin mo, Be, asawa, Natalie, tirahin mo ako.
Me, I don't need tirahin mo ko. You need that. You say that. I'm asking you, what is that?
But, I will teach you nga. Sabihin mo, Be, tirahin mo ako. Be, Natalie. Sabihin mo na yung name ko ng in a good way. Natalie. Ganon, tirahin mo ako.
Tirahin mo ko.
Ayan, okay. Game. You gonna do this first to me. Kalabitin mo ako.
Be, Natalie.
Oh.
Tirahin mo ko. Upal ka talaga. Yoko.